Hey guys, in today's video we'll be taking a look at BlueAnt X-3D MAX Bluetooth portable speaker. I'd just like to thank BlueAnt for sending me out this speaker to review. Okay, so we're going to open up the box and see what we get inside, and then I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to the speaker, and then we'll also do an indoor sound test and an outdoor sound test so you can get a bit of a feel of what this speaker is going to sound like, and then I'm going to share my thoughts with you at the end. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the speaker is a 40 watt speaker with Bluetooth. It has two 50mm active woofers and two 20mm active tweeters. It has two passive radiators, up to 12 hours playtime, and you can have continuous play when it's plugged into the charger. It's got rapid charging, a built-in microphone, it's waterproof, it uses a Bluetooth 5.3 connection, and it also comes with an auxiliary 3.5mm port. And you can also connect two speakers together and play music at the same time, which is pretty cool. And so then you also have the tech specs here if you're interested. You can pause the video and check that out. And this is what comes in the box. Okay, let's take a look and see what we get in the box. Okay, and then here we have the user guide. This will show you what all the buttons do on your speaker. And when you open it up, we have warranty information, and then this is a setup guide on how to connect to the Bluetooth speaker. And in here we have a 45 watt USB Type-C charging brick. And then you have a USB Type-C charging cable. Here is the speaker, it's all wrapped up nicely. And then on the front we have the buttons. Okay, here you can see we have the power button and the Bluetooth pairing button. And then down the bottom here is where your USB Type-C port is and the auxiliary 3.5. It was pretty hard to open up because it's sealed real tightly because it's waterproof. Okay, so now I'm going to connect the Bluetooth speaker to my phone. So to do that, we need to power it on. So there's the power button here. Press and hold, and you'll see this will light up. And then we need to press the Bluetooth button.
Bluetooth.
Okay, and then once you've done that, you want to grab your phone, go into your phone's Bluetooth settings, and then go pair new device. Okay, so then you want to pick BlueAnt X-3D MAX, and then we want to click pair. So in the box there is this little setup guide if you need any help. So now you can see here that I'm connected, and it says we have 50% battery, and then we have these dots here which tell us how much battery we have left as well, which is really good. To give you a sense of the sound quality, I've done an indoor test and an outdoor test. When I did the outdoor test, it was quite windy outside, so just keep that in mind. And if you chuck on some headphones when you're having a listen, it's going to sound even better for you. And also just remember, obviously it's going to sound a little bit different in real life than it does when filming on a camera. So just keep that in mind, but hopefully it gives you a bit of a sense of the quality. So let's go have a look. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with this speaker. I think it has great sound, It has really good bass and clear highs. I think this speaker is going to be perfect for anyone who wants to take it to the beach or to the pool since it's waterproof, or even just down to the park or those backyard barbecues. I love that it's nice and portable and has a 12-hour battery, so you can pretty much get all day out of it. So I'm really looking forward to using it this summer and taking it wherever we go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.